We are here. We are at King of the Hammers. Well, technically we haven't made it to Hammertown yet, but we are here. Got the wristband, we're in. Gonna be another exciting few days. Jacob from Off-Road Anonymous is racing on Thursday. We're gonna hang out, help him pit. So, place is getting busy already. Should be a good time. So what's the discussion we've been having?
Well, I asked once so many times if Jacob wanted my motor, because
well, because he blew his up.
Yeah.
Hey, watch that stuff there. I hate being on the camera, but I hate being on it almost more.
What?
Nothing.
He said he's not a camera guy. He said that's your job.
Oh, I see.
I said this is good content, and he said that's Kyle's job.
Yeah.
Actually, I said that's your job, plus I don't know where the camera's at, so.
We were debating whether or not to swap my motor into Jacob, and well, after all this shit that's gonna have to happen to us, I said no.
The end of it was the fact that we'd have had to change the stator, so.
Stator, intercooler, thermostat, housing.
Lots of work, plus Kyle has a race in 2 weeks.
Yeah, which you got to race my car in.
Yeah, but I want to race my car.
You can race mini tank. You win.
I'm gonna win in my car.
No.
Yes.
This will smoke your car.
Whatever, hasn't yet.
Hey, how did that go? What did I have on that sheet? To win, you must first finish. And what did I say? To finish, you must first start?
You didn't start. You crashed before the start.
I started 2 or 3 last year. How many did you start?
1 of 3. Yeah.
All right, well, enough joking aside. I think we're just going to chill out and have some fun. King of the Hammers prep. Nothing like down to the last minute, huh? Double check everything. Kick me out of the way so I'll move and they can work.
Yeah, get out of the way, D.
Hey, what was that?
Oh, you heard me.
All the fun. Are you having fun yet?
Absolutely.
But I think you guys about got the car done, don't you?
Pretty much put the console in. Other than that, we should be good. New harnesses, new drive shaft rebuild, 4 new tires, and belts, primary, yeah, gussets, welded the frame.
Nice.
Should be good.
You guys been busy today. How's Kyle feeling over here?
Getting there.
He's vertical.
Yeah, I finally got out of the chair.
Yep. Yeah, I think they about got ready to go, guys.
How'd you get a Polaris koozie that fits a girdle beer?
He's trying to get into character. Let him be.
We're helping feed the
We're out here at Johnson Valley, California, filming the 4th day of events out here for King of Hammers 2022. Sponsored by Nitto Tire, Maxxis, Monster,
Progressive.
Can-Am,
Progressive.
Insurance,
Ford Bronco. Check them out.
This is the used to be called Backdoor Shootout. Now it's just called the Holly EFI Shootout. That's all I got.
No,
That's all I got.
Is it like? Oh wow, that's hot. That's hot.
How many tools have been, Jared?
what?
How many tools have been?
I don't
Stole from his boss.
Yeah. And he bought it. He's like, you gotta go
my
try
hand
it.
just went across it like I did on the
He's got a press, you just got to put it together. And I'm like, oh, it works.
Unfortunately, I don't want to hurt this. Oh no, it's not bad.
I don't know who this dude is, but shaky the camera here and make me zoom in.
Don't have to zoom in that far.
Tell him he got a suck down one.
Of course he does. Come on.
He hasn't
Say this
sucked down
first
yet.
rodeo. It's not just a
I haven't sucked down one.
Jacob, what's this called? The shootout?
Yep.
Is that where we're at?
EFI shootout.
Yep. Holly,
It used to be called the backdoor shootout, and they started mixing up where it's going to be.
Holly EFI shootout. So far, nobody's made the
There
bonus
it
climb.
is. Is that good enough with your spec?
Oh, that's
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, he's going.
Like if you send Randy a message, I'll get it.
He's gonna make it! Come on! Made it to the top!
What did I say? Lightweight?
I was wondering that too. Case match.
Sticky swamp.
Oh, yeah, Joe's below me.
Anybody that makes it? Vegas Boulevard in front of the front.
Oh, Jesus.
Big
Yeah.
We need commentary over here.
Yeah, they're taking their unit.
Come interview.
Should we not say it while you're recording?
Oh, you can. It's fine.
Should I
Hell,
get a
that is
laser
you
in there
out.
for you?
Sure, do it to it.
Oh my God, look at that.
Well, now, do I need to be Australian or English?
Yeah, what accent do you guys prefer?
Here, just pick one. I'll kick the light on.
You like Canadian? What do you got?
No, just change it every 30
What this guy's
seconds.
name is.
Change it every, no, you need to make that up. And then you need to light it.
No, just go walk
No,
in
you
front
gotta
of the
be in
camera
front of
and
the
fall
light.
down. There you go. Hey, he's going. He's going.
Make sure you state your name.
Sir Randall.
Hello? Sir Randall.
Little
No,
farther
on
in.
this.
left.
Little farther in.
Front left.
In.
Further left.
A little more.
This
This way.
left.
Our left.
You're right.
You're right.
So stage left. Got ya.
left.
All right. All right.
You're almost there.
Turn your lights on. We need to
coming.
see ya.
Keep coming.
Hey,
Oh,
give me,
yeah,
hey,
we're
friend, you
gonna
have
go.
Brokeback Mountain.
Yeah!
You got it. You got it.
You didn't hardly work at it.
Yeah, he did. I think he's the new winner.
Here we go. First two off the line. Pulling up to the start. AJ circling that right hand car in the screen here. So we're kind of here helping out.
Is that clutch?
He was trying to brake boost it. Setting up remote pit 2. We got the fireman over here, tried to catch himself on fire at the main pit.
Yeah, as soon as he hits remote main pit,
He's ignoring me. He's mad he caught himself on fire like 3 times.
Yeah, I mean,
The only person that didn't was the guy wearing the fire suit.
so French.
You know.
And the only other person would
So now they're setting up remote 2. And I'm just sitting here, you know, wasting space. Giving them a hard time. That's them, here they come, coming into the pits.
They're here!
Yep, that's them. That's them just come over the ridge.
Ready! Ready! Straight!
Oh, it's the rain.
All right, hey, Mama.
He's not stopping. Kept going.
Look at those guys. They're just taking a leisurely Thursday afternoon stroll with a pair of axles out across the desert. Go fix their car.
Mile and a half or whatever they were.
There's a couple miles out there.
That's all there's.
Like, they snapped the front and the rear. They probably would have made it better. Got something to think about.
Now they skipped remote pit 2. Means they're happy with the car. They're headed back up the track.
Oh, yeah, that too. He's going to make the round and come back on the loop back.
Yeah, he's gonna have to.
He'll on his way back.
We're gonna be sitting here for a couple hours. I'm gonna sit down.
Yeah, we wanted him to stop. Coming back.
much time, so.
No, yeah, not much time at all.
13 minutes to get him out of here.
Yep, that's him. That's him coming down the hill.
Come on, AJ.
We got radio?
What are we starting with, Jacob?
Drinks and food. Drinks and food. Drinks
At this point, it's gas and go, ain't it?
Are we doing anything with the water on that transmission?
Gas and go. No water.
There's AJ. Coming into remote pit 2 for the second time.
Open up now.
Last pit.
Light yourself
Here he
on fire.
comes. He's cutting it close on their time limit, but he should be able to make it back.
Here to finish, right? I mean, will one can get him there? Jacob? One can of gas and fuel would get him there?
Oh, he's not stopping. That's it.
So you finished, AJ. What do you think?
Jacob
Little brutal?
was right. That was like a car wreck for 8 hours. That's
Your car looks like it might be a little wrecked.
important.
Yeah. What'd you say? You went nose over tail and then side by side?
We did great through all the rocks. We thought we were done with the rocks. We looked at the map and drove off the waterfall. And
Whoa!
did a front flip and a couple of rolls down a mountain.
Hey, I'm just glad you guys made it and you're all right, man. Congratulations. Yeah,
Yeah,
7th place
top
finish in
10.
class. Good job. Good job.
It is brutal. I drove the wheel.
Yeah. Got missing motor mount. Sides all messed up. Front end, this was relatively tight when he left. Not so much anymore. Yeah, roof's a little jacked, but all in all, they finished. Congratulations to them, both of them. Heck of a day. Well, that's the end of it.
Oh, we made it back. They're unloading. All the cars were running. Successful. Return trip. Now we got another 2 hours to our house.
Yep, but successful adventure. It was quite the time.
Yeah.
We really, truly appreciate the side-by-side blog guys for
Yes, thank
helping us out, letting us help them, and amazing trip. Very appreciative of it. So it's cold out here. I say we get out of here.
Yes.